Hi, Brad Richardson here with Logic. I'm going to improve your productivity today by showing you how to set the print area in an Excel document. Whether you want to print a certain section of an Excel document or you want to save it to a PDF. Let's take a look. I have an Excel report open, and this is a dashboard, and I want to print this. Now, first thing I want to do is I want to set the print area, so I'm going to highlight everywhere I'd like to print. Scroll back up. Yep, that covers it. So if I come up here to set print area, now that's what's going to print. I come over here to file and print, but you see here that it's cut between two pages. So the first thing I'm going to do, now that I've got my print area set, is I'm going to come over here. I'm going to change the orientation from portrait to landscape. It's still cut into two pages. The last thing I'm going to do is come to page setup, and in the scaling option I'm going to go to fit to 1 page by 1 page, select OK, and now I've got that dashboard on 1 page. Now this is just one quick tip on the page setup and printing of an Excel document, but if you encounter other challenges, I'd recommend going to the page setup menu and trying to solve it from there. Thanks for watching and have a great week.